Good morning from rainy southern point of the North Island. Yeah, I mean, it's still pretty, even though you can't really see where the ocean and the sky separate. It is raining, fully raining. That's fine. We had a great sleep in the van. She served us well. That was the last night in the van. We're heading back to Wellington, about 2 hours away from where we are. And it's gonna be hotels until I go home. We're gonna spend the next couple days in Wellington. And still fun things. We got some more Lord of the Rings lore to fulfill. So yeah, let the adventure, we're leaving the Cape. Still pretty, even if it's gray and rainy. Just big cliffs on one side and dropping into the ocean. In Canada, we don't really have Coke Vanilla, but we had it at Christmas time. But it was really hard to find after everyone got wind of it. But Coke Vanilla is everywhere here. Zero sugar Coke Vanilla, also zero sugar Coke Raspberry. And I love me Coke Vanilla. Oh, it's so good. Don't be jealous. Just drinking readily available Coke Vanilla while we fill up with diesel on our drive back to Wellington. Very different view of Wellington than when we first came down this strip. Like the ferry's right there, although you can barely see it because when we came down before it was so clear. You can barely see the islands over there and the bay. It's rainy. It's gross. I want it to be sunny, not rainy. It's preparing me for going home. This is what it's gonna be like at home. Anyway, we're just getting into Wellington. And I'm gonna pee my pants. Just having a little food break before we go to Weta. Charlie's having me again, third time. And I'm having another pie, which, again, gotta eat all the pies I can before I leave. Alright, we're just getting ready to do our Weta tour. So yeah, we're just looking at the gift shop because we love a gift shop. And yeah, this will be super Lord of the Ringsy. Can't wait.
They're really expensive.
Yeah. I like mine a little.
I'm trying to do this guy too.
Hey, he's gonna make this one move.
It's a movie called Van Helsing. It's a prototype actually, so it's 3D printed.
Is it working? Oh.
Huh?
Gross.
It's the film you'll probably not want to watch. A bit dark, a bit violent.
I wonder if I can make this guy.
That's good.
It's not working. Oh, no.
No, that's good. That's really cool. Have you read the book?
It like feels gross. Oh, whoops.
Kong.
Oh, fun.
What do you mean?
How are you going so far?
That
You guys
guy.
all traveling around New Zealand currently?
Oh, wait, do it again.
Are you going to Hobbiton?
Yeah.
They will lose their
Do one of
mind
these.
in Hobbiton.
Do one of these. Okay, got it, got it.
Would you like to hold the gun?
It's still recording. Holy, that's heavy. Why is this so heavy?
Yeah. What's that? I'll put the
Like it sounds like they show it.
Yeah, so there's a whole process called ADR where people come and after you've made the film, and they add sound effects to make it sound like
some
there are real
hobbit
guns
feet.
going off, there are footsteps on the wood, everything like that. It's all fake.
Weird.
Yeah, it's incredibly cool if you look into the process of it.
Slap you.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels weird.
Kind of like their application.
These look like
Welcome to.
You gotta make it into a gentle ball. Imagine there's something nice inside.
This took him 2 days to make. This whole dragon, every cell and top was individually made on him hot glue. Yeah.
Spoon.
Yeah, that's just in foil.
Grab the spoon.
spoon and tinsel.
Like when they,
That's all of Warren's work. Everything he's done. Well,
Yeah.
the highlight reel at least.
Yeah,
what does that mean?
That's Lord of the Rings.
that's Lord of the Rings.
Which
And that's called Isengard. And that's Carrie, and that's...
How's the sculpture
Yeah.
coming along?
I'm making it hard.
Oh, perfect.
what is it?
Oh, finally. Appreciation.
Ah, you deserve it.
You needed a spoon to make it too.
Well, I'm pretending.
Put veins on it.
Veins?
Yeah, you know, like an animatronic
Oh, it's
card?
not an animatronic.
What? That's the wrong word. Anatomical.
Anatomical?
Animatronic. All tinfoil. All tinfoil.
Not battery.
No.
Split up a little bit. Like, oh, you got two pieces. Yeah, so one for you and one for you. Give it on with it. When I work
All
with an eggshell,
tinfoil.
fully posable.
What?
The hinge is just a pencil.
Yeah, flatten it out.
Someone already made a flat
Where's
heart.
her heart? It looks like Mickey Mouse's head.
Is this your first day back?
Yeah.
How have you been finding it?
I know, I just said that.
Two just before, I just went to
And
reach
the
there and
egg.
just touched the aluminium edge. And,
Wow.
whoa,
Yikes.
Are you a tinfoil sculptor now?
I'm thinking about it.
Well, we did the Weta. It was great. Saw so much real like Lord of the Rings stuff from the movies. And then we came out and it wasn't raining anymore. So our hotel's near the water. So I think we might scoot. Did you find it?
Yeah. So which ones look like they're
The middle. I would say these middle ones. Any of these ones. We're gonna scoot around a bit while the sun's not shining, but it's not raining. We're at an authentic Maori restaurant. I'm gonna get some Maori food before I leave, because I love trying local food. I have a feeling it's gonna be kind of like Hawaiian food because it's that Polynesian vibe. So it's a cute little vibe. I like it. It's a very cool ambiance in here. Yeah. So let's see what this. Oh, we scooted here. It was great. We love scootering. We're in a scooter gang. So anyone wants to join, please do. Yeah, I got there. They have this like spritz thing on tap. They said it's peach flavored. Oh yeah, it's so peachy. It's like drinking boozy peach juice. So this is a traditional dish. It smells incredible.
And the meat's cooked underground. Most of it's cooked underground.
So there's like cabbage, oh, like a squash, just chicken and pork in it. I think that's what I saw on the menu. I have a feeling it's gonna be incredible. I'm not gonna eat on camera, but I'll have a bite just so you all know. Oh yeah. Oh, even this, whatever it is so good. I think it's cabbage or something. Cabbage thing? Stuffing. That's right, stuffing. Oh, it's so good. Oh yeah. Delicious.
Yeah.